Wonderlic Arithmetic exam questions. Simply this mixed number, 2 and 25ths. Simply fraction and add result to whole part. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Convert mixed number to an improper fraction, 2 and 5/8. 2x8 equals 16. 16 plus 5 equals 21. 21/8. Multiply the whole part by the denominator and add to the numerator. Integers. Set is composed of 0, whole and opposite numbers. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. 5/8 divided by 6 equals 1. Convert whole numbers into fraction by putting 1 as a denominator. 2. Find reciprocal of divisor and multiply as usual. 5/8 divided by 6/1 equals 5/8. x 1/6 equals 5/48. -5, x, -2, x 3x, -1. -5, -2, 3, -1, equals 5x 2x 3x 1 equals 30. There is an odd number of negative signs, the product is -30. -5, x, -2, x 3x, -1. -5, -2, 3, -1, equals 5x 2x 3x 1 equals 30. There is an odd number of negative signs, product is -30. -45, divided by, -5, equals 9. You buy a huge bag of 150 marbles. You have 12 friends and you must give each the same amount. How many do they get and how many are you left with? 150 divided by 12 equals 12, remainder of 6, each friends get 12 and you are left with 6. Convert improper fraction into a mixed number 16/3. Divide the denominator into the numerator. The quotient will be the whole part of mixed number. The remainder is the new numerator over the denominator. 16 divided by 3 equals 5, remainder 1, 5 and 1/3. 0.2 plus 3/4 equals 1. Convert to fractions. 2/10 plus 3/4 equals 2. Find common denominator. 4/20 plus 15/20 equals 19/20. Note, fraction can be renamed as a decimal and decimals added together. 0.2 plus 0.74 equals 0.95. 2 and 1/3 divided by 3 1/3 equals 1. Convert mixed numbers to fractions. 2. Invert divisor. 3. Cancel common factors and multiply 5/2 divided by 10/3 equals 5/2 x 3/5x2 equals 3/4. 0 factor property. A zero factor always results in a zero product. A, 0 equals 0 and 0, A equals 0. In a pie eating contest there are 5 contestants. Each eats 3/8 of a pie per 1/4. How many pies does each person eat in an hour? 3/8 pies divided by 1/4 hour equals 3/8 divided by 4/1 12/8 equals 3/2 x 2/2 x 2/2 equals 3/2 1.5 pies eaten per person/hour. Find the reciprocal fraction 4/3. To find the reciprocal, exchange the numerator for the denominator. 3/4. You have $100 for Christmas shopping. You buy a necktie for $45, a scarf for $35. You are interested in a book for $35. Do you have enough money? No, you have 20 left. Book have 30. 2.5 x 3/1/2 x 3/8 equals 1. Rename each as an improper fraction. 2. Cancel common factors. 3. Multiply and simplify 5/2 x, 2, 5, x 3 equals 25 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 8 equals 3 1/8. Randy bought a car for $3,760. Then she paid an additional $120.67 for repairs. Her father had given her $10,000 to buy a car. How much money did she have left? To calculate money, use decimals. 3,760.00 plus 120.67 $3,880.67. Total spent on a new car, Randy has $6,119.33. 0.6x minus 1/6 equals. Change decimal to fraction. 6/10 x minus 1/6 equals minus 1/10. Add the following, minus 35, plus 26 equals minus 9. Minus 10, x, 20. Minus 200. A broomstick is carrying 25 witches. First dungeon 3 get off, next 10 get on. How many left? 25 to 3 equals 22. 22 plus 10 equals 32. Minus 3, x, minus 1, x4 x0 equals. If any of the factors is 0, answer is 0. Minus 0.65 plus dash 1 slash 2 equals 1. Convert to fractions, dash 65 slash 100 plus minus 1 half 2. Find common denominator, dash 65 slash 100 plus dash 50 slash 100 equals dash 115 slash 103 slash reduce, dash 23 slash 20 equals minus 1 and 3/20. Note, fraction can converted to a decimal and decimals added, minus 0.65 plus dash 0.5 equals minus 1.15, minus 1 half divided by 1.5. 1. Change decimal to fraction, or fraction to decimal, minus 1 half divided by 1 and a half divided by 3 halves 2. Multiply by the reciprocal, minus 1 half x 2/3 equals minus 1/3. What are 3 equivalent ways to write the fraction 5/6? If 2 of a fraction's 3 signs are changed, the result is a fraction of equal value. Minus 5/6 equals minus 5/6 equals dash 5 slash dash 6. Minus 1 half divided by 1.5 equals 1. Change fraction to decimal, minus 1 half divided by 1 and a half equals minus 1 half divided by 3 halves 2. Multiply by the reciprocal, minus 1 half x 2 slash 3 equals minus 1/3. 3/4 divided by 4/5. Convert the second fraction, divisor, to its reciprocal, cancel common factors and multiply. Do not cancel common factors when there is a division sign in the problem. 3/4 x 5/4 equals 15/16. Simply this mixed number, 3 and 8/3. Simply fraction add result to whole number 8 divided by 3 equals 2 and 2/3. 3 plus 2 and 2/3 equals 5 and 2/3. Minus 50, divided by 2 equals minus 25. Multiply these fractions, 3/5 x 1/6 equals 1. Multiply the numerators 2. Multiply the denominators 3. Cancel common factors 4. If all factors are cancelled in numerator or denominator, replace with 1, 3, 1, equals 3 equals 3 equals 1/10, 5, 6, 30, 5, 3, 2, minus 2.5 minus 1 half. 1. Rename as 2 decimals, or 2 fractions, dash 2.5 minus 0.5 equals 2. Change to plus and reverse sign of subtrahend, minus 2.5 equals 0.5 equals 3. Find difference of absolute values, 2.5, 0.5 equals 2.04. Assign sign of number with larger absolute value result to minus 2.0. 1/8 rename as a percent. Divide, 1 divided by 8 equals 0.1252. Multiply by 100, move the decimal 2 places to the right, 12.5. Sam wrote a novel, earned 5% commission on sales. Today received a check for $5,000. What were total sales on the novel? Commission X 100 underscore 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 commission percent rate equals sales 5,000 X 100 equals underscore 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 5 $100,000 in sales. Mom bought ice cream. Anna ate 1/2 the container and Michael ate 1/4 of the container. How much ice cream did they eat? How much is left for Dad? Add fractions, 1/2 equals 2/4 2/4 plus 1/4 equals 3/4 1 equals 1/1 equals 4/4. 1 represents the entire container of ice cream, 4/4 -3/4 equals 1/4 of ice cream left for Dad.